This year I brainwashed myself into giving my husband the ability to retire and giving us financial freedom by working with a concept that a lot of people dismiss. And that concept is authority, and specifically our loyalties and wounds to it. Because growing up, my mum worked 3 jobs and my dad didn't work at all. So I learned that being the provider meant pressure, exhaustion, and that money had to be earned through suffering. So if I out-earned my partner or retired him, then I was subconsciously believing that all of that stress and fear was going to weigh on me. But I shouldn't have been trying to manifest being the sole provider, because that was a surface level desire. The foundation of it was my authority. How much authority do I have with money? How much authority do I have with safety? How much authority do I have with the manifestations that I've created, like this home? How much authority do I create within myself on a day-to-day basis? And healing my wounds and loyalties to the negative authority has created so many opportunities, like collaborating with the OG Brad Yates with EFT Tapping. That's on YouTube if you want to go on to watch it. It's created so many expansions and creative pursuits that have come to me because I claimed my authority in my life. And I'm not ashamed to admit that, yes, I desire financial freedom. Yes, I desire retiring my husband. Yes, I desire this career that I have that is so amazing that doesn't even feel like work, because it is such a passion and I'm such a natural at it. I have no issues talking about that anymore, but I did before, because I didn't feel safe in the authority of those desires. And that's just because people around me growing up didn't feel safe in their authority. And by me claiming my authority to have financial freedom and retire my husband is the exact same authority that allows Steve to claim his authority. Because financial freedom was never about me carrying him. It's both of us finally getting to choose what we want to do. Stay at work or retire. Do this, do that. Because now the old rules and wounds of that overarching negative authority is no longer in our lives. And the way I did this was through my EFT tapping work, but also through my specific nervous system reprogramming, understanding, and education on what authority meant for me and what it allows me to have, what my why is with authority, and how I can achieve that in a way that makes me stay aligned with my purpose or with my gifts or with my passion. Authority is never about becoming something outside of yourself, because that is not authority. That is a corruption of power. Authority is innately within you. We are all born with authority, but we allow other people to define it for us because fear is instilled with us pretty much from day dot, because it's instilled in our communities. So if you have financial freedom desires, if you have career desires, if you have relationship desires that you want to heal, but you feel like you don't have the power or the authority to do so, I would love to invite you to the Authority Project. This is my 35-day project. It's being treated like a challenge, like a live project. Every single day is a new mini training from me and tapping session with action steps on how to work on your business, your career, but also personal relationships, confidence, self-esteem. There's a private and a public aspect to this project. You can do both, or you can just do one. So if authority is something that you are wanting to work towards, reclaiming and rediscovering yours, getting rid of all the conditions that made you feel like you couldn't have authority, make sure you join and enroll before August 31st. That's when doors will close, because we begin on September 1st.